Plaud Notepin is a simple yet powerful tool for anyone who needs to capture thoughts quickly and keep them organized. If you've been looking for a distraction-free way to take notes online, this might be exactly what you need. At its core, Notepin is a lightweight, web-based note-taking platform. It's built for speed and simplicity, cutting out unnecessary features so you can focus on writing. There's no complex setup, no cluttered interface, just a clean workspace where your ideas take center stage. Some of its standout features include instant access from any browser without downloading an app, automatic saving so you never lose your notes, and a minimal design that makes writing feel effortless. You can also create private or public notes, customize themes for a personal touch, and even share your work easily through a unique link. The biggest benefit is how frictionless it feels. Unlike bulky productivity apps that overwhelm you with options, Notepin lets you open a page and start writing immediately. This makes it perfect for journaling, brainstorming, or keeping track of daily thoughts without overcomplicating things. When it comes to pricing, Notepin has a free version that covers all the basics. For those who want more customization and features like password protection or premium themes, there's a paid plan that remains affordable on a monthly or yearly subscription. Overall, Plaud Notepin delivers a refreshing balance of simplicity and usefulness. It's easy to use, accessible anywhere, and keeps your notes safe without the noise of heavy apps. If you're looking for a straightforward writing tool, Notepin is definitely worth trying. I hope this video helped, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.